Survivalcomms. A very common problem in repair to make is replacing a Fastex buckle. For example, this is a BLS bag here, and you can see that this one here is in pretty good shape, but the other one here broke, and I've removed it from the strap. Now, normally, the way this is attached is there's just a single loop on this female side of the Fastex buckle, and it's stitched to the body of the bag itself. Now, the correct way to replace this is to go ahead and remove this stitching and to go ahead and stitch that back on there, but I don't want to do that. I just want to go ahead and attach a new Fastex buckle on here. And this could be something you pulled off of another piece of equipment, or etc., and you don't really want to reattach this through the use of a sewing machine. The male side of the Fastex is just simple. You just loop it on there, pull it through, and you're good there. The female one, however, and I didn't know it wasn't recording, but I've removed it already by using my Leatherman tool and just snapping this section off as such, and then that allows you to remove that section of buckle. Our female buckle is not that difficult to replace. One way to do it is to cut a slot into it and then to manipulate this over to the side, and just taking the bar of your buckle and using a cutting tool, removing a section of material from that bar, and then taking your webbing and sliding your webbing down and then back on. And it'll rest right there and cover both sides of it, and that will probably give you fairly good service. Now, the way I do it is to just use a piece of parachute cord, and I just remove the center sections of it, about a foot of parachute cord, and I'm just going to use the sheath of it. I'm going to feed it through our pack like that. Then we're going to take, fish both ends through like that, and on the back side. Making an arrangement such as that. Now that we've got our cordage through, we just need to finish it, and I'm just going to use a simple overhand loop. To tie the overhand loop, take your working end and just cross your standing end, and then just run both of your working ends back through themselves and make a simple overhand knot. You can use a figure-8 loop, a square knot, or whatever you choose to. Again, we're not going out a window on this, so it really doesn't matter. And we've got our loop right here in our stopper knot, and that'll drift down a little bit, but not too much so. We can go ahead and cut our cordage loose here. Get our ends burned up. And there you have it. Our bag is returned to service. I hope this helps. This is Brett from Survivalcomms. Till next time.